Hi, I'm Sunaina Anand, Director of Art Alive Gallery, who's come from Delhi. And we're really delighted. I'm standing right now close to the work by Shibu Natesan, which is really has got a lot of interest because one doesn't see Shibu's work that often. And after a very long time, a large watercolors from him has come to the fair. So we are here to showcase those. And there are very special spots here that I can take you through. We have right opposite Shibu, we are showing works by Chanda Bhattacharjee, who's an artist from he's from Kolkata, and Chandra's work is he's asking you to pause and look at the ecology, look at what we're doing to our environment, and how he does this body of work is very interesting because he goes with his camera into the forest and he clicks pictures there, and he tries to capture the intrusion and the effect of that intrusion that a forest has when we enter a space which is not really ours. So if you see, there are lots of layers of foliage which is looking through the light, and there is this little guy who's probably trying to pick some leaves over there. So there's a lot of play of shadow and light that he brings in his work. And on this side, I'm bringing we have works by Tara Sabrawal. She's a New York-based artist. I think this is the first time she's being shown in Mumbai at a fair. As she lives in New York, one doesn't see her work so often in India. And these are pen and inks. They are almost coming out of her dreamscapes. You know how? So very intimate work. And the more you closer to the work, they're almost like little doodling that we all do when we are in some thoughtfulness. And so this is her body of work, which is we've done a collection of about 7 works here. And then I would love to take you to the showstopper of a show, of a collection. It's really a showstopper because, I mean, the last 4 days, the work which has really been Instagrammed is this one, which is by Jayshree Burman. I have been working with a lot of artists who works in ceramics, but the way Partha Das Gupta works with his ceramics is really, he really takes you, it's called digging from the earth. It's like digging into your history. So he makes these relics. They look like relics which are excavated, but they're not excavated. They're created by the artist. And you see these inscriptions on the work. They almost look like as if they're coming from the old civilization, Harappan or any, because the kind of little things that you see. So they're like, and these are like impressions that you see. So this is like a relic that he creates. It's ceramic work. And he's enshrined it in this. This is part of the whole work. And what he's trying to say is that we need to preserve our history. We need to keep our history very protectively, because in our country, we are not very conscious about that. We are not very conscious about when you travel abroad, you go to Italy or you go to Greece, you see how they take care of in the museums, which is fine, but people themselves also, you know, so this is what he's probably trying to draw attention to. The iconic Thota Vaikuntham needs no introduction, but this selection of works that we brought here are his early works from 1995. And at that time, he used to work only in acrylic on paper. So it's a very, very special collection. We got this collection from the artist, and we thought, let's take it to Mumbai and show it to our audience. All the artists are responding to basically nature. They all are conscious about that we need to, for our future generations, so this is how we have to protect our nature. Here the hand is holding a pod, a seed pod. And that's what he's saying, the sensitivity, the way he's holding it, saying that, you know, this is something we need to protect. From here, the life comes. So his work is about that. So Maya is an Indian artist based in France. So you see her colors are very, I would say they're very bright, they're very festive. And the landscape that she does is in the south of France where she lives. So it's about exuberation, celebration with family, and again coming out of, I would say, there's a lot of innocence in her work. And her colors are very pop. and very European. So Yashwant belongs to Mumbai. He's from JJ School of Arts. Mid-career artist. I find his work is very calming. There's a calming effect that you feel when you look at his work. He's done a very interesting play with forms, but there's some kind of a calmness that is attracted to a lot of people to his work. So we're very happy to bring him back here.